Hello everyone. So I have a little bit of voice right now. So I'm in my Christmas jumper already. Yeah. Okay. It's day 15 of Advent. So today, let's open number 15. 15. Oh, it's heavy. So I think it's a glass. Yeah, it's a glass. And oh, I need this one. Nourishing hair oil. I'm excited to use this one. Strength and Shine 7 oil elixir. So it's okay. I have a hair also. It's almost complete. I have a face wash and something. So right. Bye. See you tomorrow.